Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Dubai chocolate bar without Kataifi. First, select high-quality chocolate, pistachios, and a rich, creamy filling. Gently melt your chosen chocolate using a double boiler or microwave, stirring until smooth. Next, prepare your chocolate bar mold, making sure it is perfectly clean and dry. This ensures a flawless finish for your delicious creation. Now, let's create that irresistible filling. Mix your pistachio paste with a smooth, sweet cream until well combined. Pour a thin, even layer of your melted chocolate into the prepared mold, coating the bottom. Then, carefully spoon the creamy pistachio filling over this chocolate base, leaving space for the top layer. This layering is key to the bar's texture. To finish, pour the remaining melted chocolate over the pistachio filling, sealing it completely. Gently tap the mold on your counter a few times to remove any air bubbles, ensuring a smooth top. Place the mold in the refrigerator and chill for at least 1 hour, or until the chocolate is completely firm. Patience here guarantees a perfect snap when you break it. Once fully set, carefully demold your beautiful Dubai chocolate bar. It should pop out easily if chilled properly. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of chopped pistachios for an extra touch of elegance and flavor. Now, it's time to enjoy your homemade treat. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.